So, good morning, all of you. Let us look at this JEE 2000 question, a 10 mark question. So, what is given here is there is a body A here. This is at coordinates x equal to 3 meters and y equals to 1.25 meters. Right now, it is at rest and it starts moving in this direction with acceleration 1.5 meters per second square. A body is projected from the origin with the velocity u bar. It is given that this body hits this body A. Let us have a look at it. So this body is going like this and it is hitting this body at this point. Let us have a look at it once more. There is a body projected here and hitting this body here. Now what he is asking here is, a stationary person on the ground observes that this stone is hitting the object during its downward motion at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So if we schematically draw this, right, and with the horizontal, this makes an angle of 45 degrees, the velocity of this body when it hits it. We can say here that the vertical displacement of the stone which is thrown is 1.25 meters between its point of projection until when it hits the target. If you write the equation for ball in y direction, we can write 1.25 equals to uy into t minus half gt square. This is for the ball in y direction. In y direction. For ball in x direction. Say for the ball in x direction, its displacement is this is 3 plus how much ever this plank has moved. So let us say from here to here it is some x. So this will be 3 plus x equals to ux into t. 3 plus x equal to ux into t. Let us move forward. For body A. For body A, its displacement is what here? Its displacement is only x in x direction. So for body A in x direction, we can write displacement as x equals to half into 1.5 into t square. So we have, this is one equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. We can see here that we have three equations and we have how many variables? Can you tell me? We have one uy, we have ux, x, then t. So totally we have 4 variables and we have 3 equations. So there is another equation that we will need to write here, that the velocity of this ball when it hits this object is at an angle 45 degrees. The horizontal component and the vertical component of the velocities are same. So we can say Vx equals to Vy as final velocity makes 45 degrees with horizontal. Now in projectile motion, the ball is in projectile motion. So for the ball, the x component of its final velocity will be equal to the x component of its initial velocity. So you can just write Vx as ux equal to Vy. The y component of velocity keeps on changing, right, because there is an acceleration in the y direction. So we can write Vy as uy minus gt. We can write Vy as uy minus gt. I want you to observe this step at this point. We have taken ux as positive. It is along positive x-axis. So our value we are leaving it as positive. Now when you see uy here, are you all able to see? This is Vy equal to uy minus gt. So when this body is going up, I am taking only the y component, not the x component. Its velocity is positive, but when it starts coming down, this term gt is more than uy. So because it is coming down, this whole term right now, this whole term that we have here is a negative quantity. In the LHS, we have a positive quantity. So what we will do is, to correct this, we'll just put a minus here. So we will have ux equals to gt minus uy. This is a very important step here. Okay, and this is the fourth equation. Now when we solve these four equations, we get the value of u bar as 3.75 I cap plus 6.25 j cap and time t equals to 1 second. The detailed calculation of solving these four equations is given below. You can have a look there.